Yo, what's up, YouTube? It's your boy JP. Merry Christmas to everybody. Yesterday was Christmas, the 25th. Today's the 26th. And I'm doing this video. Reason why I'm doing this video is because my boy JR Ryder, that's his Instagram page. He has a Mustang. If you look at this Mustang, I did this last year. I did a car review on this Mustang. And basically, when I did his car review, it was basically stock. The only thing he had was Magnaflow exhaust, and that's about it. And now, present time, he has done a lot of work to his vehicle. Started building his car around the same time when I started doing my my muffler deletes and all that stuff. Was around in June. So I started recording his car, his build, and so I never got a chance to post it on my YouTube page, and he don't have a YouTube, so I'm doing it for him. And just like how my car was, I record a lot of videos and I never post it, and the same way I did with his car too. So I decided to put his car on my YouTube page since I did a couple of things to my car. So around that same time, that's when he started working on his car. So I wanted to put my video where I'm at and where he starts at the same time, because there's some videos that overlap each other and you guys will get confused why I'm doing this and that. So I decided to put his videos on my channel, so then eventually they will crisscross. Certain builds that I do will crisscross with his, and certain videos that I have done will crisscross with somebody else's YouTube channel. So I don't want to get anybody confused, and I don't want to just say, hey, this is what happened and all that stuff. I'd rather show you the videos so you guys could understand. So I guess enjoy this video, and once again, Merry Christmas, and watch the video. Peace.
My main goal is to blow up and then act like I don't know nobody.
My guy's car, 2017 Mustang GT. I get the resonator taken out, put some X pipes on them. Got a Magnaflow there. So I'm going to be replacing this bad boy right here. Have some X pipes done down here. Down the road, we're going to do the catalytic converters down the future. Get those done. So right now we're going to get rid of this. Put an X pipe on that. Make this bitch sound louder. Yeah, that's how we're gonna do it here at G Exhaust. Same spot where I got my car going. Well, not in this location. The one in Davie. This one is in Oakland, I'm sorry. Address, you wanna come down, give them a holler. Talk to my boy G. I'll link the description in the bottom. Yeah, baby. Getting it done. There goes the resonator right there. Goodbye. Wicked.
You won't let me forget, no. I know beside me, beside you. wordless. Be right back. Slip in my eye, I'm wordless. You don't understand. You don't understand my love. You don't understand my love. You don't
Yo, what's up, YouTube? It's your boy, JP, Short Guy Production. We're here another video. What we're gonna do here is we're gonna install an air intake on a 2017 Ford Mustang GT. Guys, you might remember this car. I did a car review on this car a couple of months ago. Yeah, and also he got the X pipes done just recently, last week. So I don't even know when I'm gonna upload this video. I guess I'll put a date. And yeah, so we're gonna change this whole air intake. Try to do this quick because it looks like it's about to rain. Do that. Put in some steeda air intake pro flow. So I wish I could do it step by step, but it looks like it might rain. So I guess I might have to do it without. But I can tell you this: I'm gonna have to take from the throttle body. There's right here the screw there. Then I have to take all these, unplug all these things that's connected to the air intake right here. Then I take the right here, the sensor right here too. And we'll do this quick. All right, be back. Sorry I couldn't do a real freaking video how to, but I just had to unscrew this, which is connected to the throttle body. Then I had to take this off, which is this right here. I had to use a clamp. Do that. Then this hose right here was connected to this one right here, and then this thing right here was connected to here. You just gotta take those off. You gotta unscrew this. Unclip it right here. Just unclip that. Unscrew right here, and you just gotta pull it out. So you see right here. Just to show you again from another angle, this piece right here. Take this piece off, then this one right here that's connected to this one right here, remove that one with the throttle body. Take this clamp, unscrew the clamp part, and just right here, this part that's connected to here, just pull it out. It's like a little clip thing. Pull the thing out and it pulls off, and that's it. Just take this part off, the sensor thing there, and unscrew that, and it should come off easily. All right, be back. All right, guys, I took it off. I knew I should have done it when I took it off. I only got one pair of hands, so once you take it off, this is how it looks like. I already took the sensor right there off. You have to take this piece off, which is connected to right here. Connected like this, or whatever, something like that. Yeah, it's connected like that. So you gotta pull this off. Pull this off because you're gonna need this, and also you're gonna have to cut. Oh my God! You're gonna have to cut this piece off right here. This off because you're gonna put a cap on it. So you're not gonna need this anymore, and that's it. Sorry guys, I know I suck, man. I freaking got lost, bro. I did everything. I finished it all.